just crossed the Mexican border and we're about to go get our passport stamped in Belize. And to this point right here, since we left Partyland in Springville, Utah, we have traveled 4,992 miles just to get out of Mexico.
So we're about to cross this river, but the thing of it is there's no bridge and it's really deep, so there's only one way to get across that. And that's with this automobile ferry you see behind us here, so should be pretty interesting.
Get over there.
Come, you gotta go forward. You gotta come forward. Over. Come, you gotta come. Come forward. Right there.
You need a motor, man. If you had some water skis, you can get back there and I can pull you across the river. Get no water skis there, huh? Wakeboard or something. Slow down. Going too fast. Do this all day. All day. Let's have strong arms.